sabi, number one, siya mo move around and once na nasa ganahan na mag-give, one, you can try to get it from that particular person. Okay? Okay, so you can try to get it from that particular person. And it's Christmas, so it's the season of giving. Okay? So it's a practice of giving what you have. Okay? So we will now try to start. Please try to show your gift. Please try to show your gift. Number one. May now call number one. Okay, number one. Sige, shopping din na. Shopping. Hanaw kung ano yung gift na gusto. Number one. Ang sa'yo na kung ang gift gusto. Okay. Okay na ka? Please try to give me the number na. It's okay, it's okay. Sige, number two. Please start the one, ha? It's okay to keep your gift. So, you're happy with your gift, okay to keep. Number two. Okay, number two. Number two, sige. Number three. Can you say number three? Number four. You can move around to try to choose a gift. Okay na? Okay na? Okay, number five.